shit.
Our journey begins in Tallinn and we are en route to Tartu. The distance between the two cities is 170 kilometers and we should reach the destination in 2 hours. We are hoping that the car we are going to buy is in good condition, otherwise we are risking spending our night in search of an alternative. We are setting out at 4:30 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon. May luck be in our favor.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
So here is our BMW. Quite nice car, but some bottom sucks. Too old already. About 12 years old, but I don't like this shit here. Also, another thing, this one. Look at this. Why? How? I don't know. Bullshit. It's quite comfortable, but 2.0 engine is not for BMW. It's about 4 liters, then it's okay, yeah. You have to push the gas and it's blowing. Not this one. 2.0, it sucks. It's like, come on, yeah? And nothing happens. Just nothing happens. What else? These buttons are already scratched here. Yeah, unfortunately. All in all, this car costs about 6,000-7,000 euros. Not the best in the station of all the money. One more plus here is the display, yeah. I can use maps. I can watch, I don't know, something about journey trip, how long I'm driving the car and so on, and that's it. Nothing more. Many options doesn't work. I must update it, and I'm not sure will they work or not. They are quite old already.
A few moments later.
Вот, а можете ette pandud just? Nad jõudsid.
Можно посушить.
Oi, ma arvan, kuidas ta? Kogu aeg on lukku läheb, näe.
Ja, lukku läheb.
Siis on vaata vanust on autos juba.
Ну, тут немного ржавчины есть. Тут вообще их не вижу. Не. Якщо йде нога.
Sa ei tea, noh.
Huvitav.
Oot. Vajamehe käsitsi, mõtled. Tead siis? Vaim tuleb.
Ei lähe nii, jah.
Ei tahaks tuleb. ei tea. Näete klapiga, mida tahab jõustada, on siin all, vaata. Ja vahetati just, panin suues. See klapiga kaane vahelt jooksis. Ütle kõik see ära. Tagant on ka märg. See sai nüüd muud, vaata tihenda, just juurde pannud. Linnas või seal poed kõik on käeala juures. Kes ta ütles, et ostab mingi väikse bensiku. Mul on natukene rohkem.
ja selles mõttes isegi see on ise pandud püsikiirus.
Keegi ka õnneks ei ole.
No siin on näha. Ma midagi puratanud ei ole.
Oi.
Мне не очень, конечно, нравится. Но это не сильно большая проблема. Защиты, что ли, нету?
Переключает вообще отлично. Я даже не чувствую, я даже БМВ куда так. Вообще. Сейчас, вот здесь.
Не гремит, не стучит.
Мы сейчас откроем, посмотрим, не вытекла ли трубка.
I bought the automatic gearbox, not the manual. That's fucking awesome, but I am a bit shocked. That's not like a fucking Toyota. That's a fucking Chrysler. That's awesome.
America is a nation that can be defined in a single word. I was going to excuse me.